Back at Drummond Lake, have another go at it with the animal. Clear it out. Reading. Full trigger. $110 again. Backed her up. Steer it out. Make another run with it. Reading. Some beautiful water this morning. Perfect wind direction. Okay. Like she was going to lift a little there, but she didn't. Where am I going? See if we can top 110. That one looked pretty good. Oh, there it is, baby. There it is, second run, 113 mile an hour. New personal best, the animal. Yes, sir. Drummond Lake. Laying her down. Very nice. So it makes a guy wonder, right? About two things. Driving. Felt like I got into it quicker earlier in the transition. So kept the front end up, ran looser. Actually almost thought about letting off, like it was going to blow off over in there. But so caught more air, ran looser, ran 113 mile an hour, or heating up lipos. Second run on some big lipos with plenty of milliamp hours. Is that the difference? I don't have the answer, but we got 113 mile an hour in the books at Drummond Lake. Very, very nice. Gotta love that. So I'm running on 8S. Yes, I have some wheel weights, stick on wheel weights. Move my CG forward. My center of gravity is right here at this dot, magic marker dot. So 15¼ inches up from the back. And batteries all the way forward. I'm running the ABC 1817 1745 series props. Yes, sir. Stretching her legs at Drummond Lake. Laying it down. Beautiful water this morning. Animal stretching her legs. New PB. $113 miles an hour. That's a good day.